This is the what the field of field of the electric dipole. So when this we are trying to find at the point on the axis. So here this point P is considered at the axis. So from the charge Q, its distance is going to become here R minus A, and from the charge minus Q, its distance is going to become here R plus A. So on the basis of that, electric field is calculated here due to plus Q and due to minus Q. And when R is much greater than A, so finally here this denominator A square will be neglected, but numerator A will be there. So on the basis of that, we have cancellation of 4 and this R. So finally E equal to QA by pi epsilon naught RQ and P cap. P cap is the here unit vectors. So here plus Q, you can see the direction of the electric field, and in case of due to minus Q, direction of the electric field both are opposite of each other.